Hi guys, in today's video we're going to have a site visit to Dubai Islands. I got a good feedback from my viewers when I'm going to the sites, not only showing the developers' offices. So Dubai Islands, over the years I made many videos in general about Dubai Islands, about different launches, about different projects within this new master development. And this time we're going to go to the site, we'll drive around, we see some of the plots of some of the projects and to have a better idea. So, and at the moment we just drive through the Infinity Bridge, and that's one of the main highways, one of the main roads that will be connecting to Dubai Islands, and then in the future they're building also the new roads and new entrances as well. As we can see here on the Google Maps on the screen, so on the left side, that's already Dubai Islands. They have this night market over there, and now we're going to go inside. This road is called Al Khalij Street. Dubai Islands. Let me show you all the entrance of the road. As you can see, a lot of construction. That will be the new roads, the extension of the roads, the new bridges, new exits, new entrances. Brief history about Dubai Islands. Initially it's supposed to be Palm Deira, and then when the financial crisis happened in 2008, they stopped their project, and then they renamed it into Deira Islands, and then a few years ago Dubai Islands. And since last 2 years, like, most of the plots sold out from Nakheel, and so many different developers, they launched their projects, as you can see on my YouTube channel. Like, I believe every week I'm posting a video, the new launch in Dubai Islands, and also a few of the launches by Nakheel itself, like Rixos Residences, like Baygrove Residences. As of now, on Island A, there is this night market on the left side, and few hotels are operating, the Rio and Centara hotels. You can see it on the Google Maps. Let's drive around. That's the road to Island B. Island B and C. Maybe we can see some signages for the project on the plots. That's the mall, which as of now it's a frozen construction, but in the future all will be completed as well. For you to better understand, you can see on the Google Maps. Construction of some of the projects already started. There's the marina on Island A. Support for the project by MTS Developments. I believe it's Well, beach walk by Imtiaz. Yeah, beach walk by Imtiaz. You can see the flags, the signs. Another project by Imtiaz. I believe Imtiaz, they have 3 projects on Dubai Islands. Beach walk. Sunset Bay by Imtiaz. Okay, it's closed here. We are still on Island A, I believe. Okay, so what we have here? Okay. Project by Imtiaz, and that's Iluka Residences. Iluka by yeah, I did the video for this project. Iluka Residences, I remember. I have a video on my YouTube channel, so that's the plot. Here we go. Construction started. Fakhruddin, Trepan Living. There we go. Also, I did the video about this project. Fakhruddin, Trepan Living. Also, construction started. So, guys, construction update for you. Okay. Let's see the hotels, Rio and Santara hotels, which are operating here already. Santara. Santara Resort. Rio Resort. Marina. Marina and Dubai Islands Beach. Deira Island Beach. Dubai Islands Beach. So that's the beach at Dubai Islands. As you can see, people are coming here already. Looks nice. Brokers taking videos for their clients. Starbucks coffee. What we have here, Central One Dubai Properties. One of the projects. One of the other projects, Edgewater Residences. Also, I made a video some time ago. I was at the launch event of this project. There we go. The construction also started. And it's right next to the beach, walking distance of the beach, let's say 3 minutes walk to the beautiful beach, which already exists. And there is a Starbucks cafe. Okay, let's stop here, let's walk around a bit. Let me show you the beach. The beach actually looks very nice, and the clean sand, white sand. Dubai Islands Beach. Coffee shop. Let's grab a cup of coffee. Alright guys, that was the tour around Dubai Islands. As you can see, the construction going on, many projects already construction started, and definitely in the next 5-7 years that will be totally developed area, and as expected it's one of the new upcoming areas in Dubai, and obviously once the infrastructure developed you can expect the good capital appreciation. Talking about the projects, there are so many launches we have in Dubai Islands, and actually every few weeks we have a new launch. Apartments, villas, townhouses from Nakheel and from other developers as well. One point I wanted to mention to you, as you can hear, as you can see, the planes. So I spent here around 30-40 minutes on the island, and I noticed that every few minutes we have the plane above us, because Dubai Islands is right next to Dubai International Airport, and take off from so actually a lot of planes flying around. But anyway, we focus on the positive things, and definitely this area has potential for the future. It's a beautiful destination next to the beach. There will be golf courses, 2 golf courses, 18 holes and 9 holes, a lot of 5-star hotels and resorts, different retail, entertainment, and as you saw once we were entering into the island, a lot of new bridges, new roads, new infrastructure, so it will be easily accessible from downtown and from Business Bay. And next to it we have Dubai Maritime City that I made a video as well. So definitely one of the new strategic locations and destinations in Dubai. If you'd like to receive more information about Dubai Islands in general, if you want to receive the offers for specific projects, for specific units, you can contact me. My contact details on the screen. I'll be glad to share you the information. We can meet in developers' offices, either it's Nakheel, because they have quite a few projects directly from Nakheel, then a lot of private developers, and also we're expecting many new launches in the future, and always it's a good to buy on the pre-launch stage, because you can choose the best units and the best offers. So guys, thank you for watching. For more details, you can always contact me. I'll be glad to help you. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next video.